Hey guys, Ronnie here. I wasn't sure if I was going to vlog today, but just at Canadian Tire picking up a screwdriver so I can take apart my laptop. I might need to switch out the batteries, so I need a specific type of screwdriver to do that. The thing about being in Canadian Tire is I come here for one thing and I end up trying to find something else to buy. It's kind of like Walmart.
Thank you.
Alright, so got my screwdriver for my laptop. Just gonna stop by at Save on Food here and grab some groceries.
Endless nights thinking I have done something wrong, trying to find a peace of mind so I can let you go. You try to change my mind again. Why don't you tell this to somebody who cares and let me spread my wings again, floating in the air.
Alright, groceries done. I actually just grabbed zucchinis. So I just realized I also have to go get my x-ray done on my lungs, just to make sure that my work isn't affecting my health. So I'm gonna go get that done right now.
Never thought it felt this good without.
So a lot of people ask me how I do so many things, like working out, full-time job, multiple businesses, etc. But it's really all about time management. So right now I'm trying to maximize my time, and I'm trying to do as many things as I can while I'm out. I keep a ton of lists at home and sticky notes everywhere. Actually, on my computer, I'm glad that there's a sticky note program that I can use, or else my monitor would be covered in post-it notes. I mean, sometimes it could still get overwhelming because I try to pack in too much stuff within my day and try to do too much. It happens, but then you get days that where you're not doing anything at all and you can kind of relax. But the way my mind works, it's still pretty busy up there. Just heading to this x-ray place, and my coworker said it only takes a few minutes, so just want to quickly get this out of the way, and my work's looking for it, so should get it done. I think this is the place, hopefully. Oh. Rockstar parking too. Awesome. I'm here.
I know, yes, I know, yes, I know you. Wonder why I'm acting so at ease, 'cause I know one day.
Wow, I'm all done. That actually only took 5 minutes. That's out of the way. I'm just gonna head home and work on some reports. So I've actually been vlogging on my phone this whole time. Left my actual camera at home, but I kind of wanted to show that you can really use anything to vlog if you're starting out. I mean, I'm still pretty much starting out, just kind of seeing what I can use, and I always have my phone, so that makes it really convenient. So I'm at home now, and I switched to my good camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some reporting right now, just boring stuff, but I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, I've been working pretty hard on these reports. I think I'm gonna grab something to eat, take a little break. Well, there's my camera. So I'm gonna put some romaine. I cooked up some brown rice, so I'm gonna put that on top, and then I'm going to put the salmon on top of that. So, and I'm gonna probably add a little bit of soy sauce, just for a little bit of flavoring. And yeah, so that's going to be lunch. Hey guys, so I'm just off to a meeting now. It's about 6:10. Probably not going to vlog that because there's a lot of private details that we're going to be talking about. It's just for a music video that I'm going to be shooting in the next little bit.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so just finished up with my meeting. I think it went well. Got all the plans set up and I think we're going to be shooting pretty soon here. But now it's almost 7:30, so I gotta head down to Murph's and I think I'm ready for some wings. This is Tiffany. Dave. One of my good buddies. Eyebrow Man. Tyler. And you all know Rob from ball hockey.
I get a lot of people whining about the new finished car polish one. They're like, oh, if you want a real polish for a real car, do that. Like, this is a $7 product. Like, what the fuck?
I want to see how many they have. Can you see how many? Aw, you're right to see.
The artistic shot. You can do that in my everyday life, though.
Alright guys, so just finished off wings. It was delicious. It was really good to see Tiffany, Dave, Tyler, and Rob. Hey guys, so it's a new day today. Today might be a pretty cool day. Right now, I just got done work and I'm heading to Edmonton to check out a vehicle. Yeah, so I'm heading to the dealership now and I'm gonna see what they can do about pricing for the vehicle and see what kind of deal we can negotiate. Hey guys, so we just finalized the deal, so it's now up to my credit to see if I'm going to be going home in this vehicle tonight. Crossing my fingers. Hey guys, so I just got home and yeah, I got the car. I didn't really vlog about it in the vehicle because I didn't have anything set up in the new car, and super happy with it. Got the price I was looking for. I'll show you guys more on the next vlog. It was getting too dark to really do any cool cinematic shots, but I did take some photos, so I will post that up after this. But yeah, it's been a super long day. It's time for me to have something to eat, and then I think I'm just gonna relax for a bit. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Wish that